In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link databases in Notion. Linking databases in Notion lets two sets of information talk to each other, so you can connect things like tasks to projects, clients to invoices, or notes to meetings. We'll set up a clean relation between two databases and confirm that it works both ways. Start by opening the database where you want the connection to live. Along the top of the table, look for the column header area. On the far right, click the small plus icon to add a new property. This creates a fresh column that will hold your links to another database. When the property menu appears, change the type to relation. This tells Notion that this property won't store text or numbers. It will point to pages living in another database. Next, choose the database you want to connect to. You can search by name if you don't see it immediately. Be sure you're selecting the correct database in your current workspace, especially if you have similarly named ones. Before confirming, turn on the option for a two-way relation. This creates a matching property on the other database automatically. So when you link an item here, the corresponding item over there shows the connection back to this one. It keeps everything in sync without extra steps. Give the relation a clear, descriptive name, something that reflects what you're linking, like project, client, or source. Clear names make filters and views much easier to manage later. Click Add Relation to finish creating the property. You'll now see a new column in your database that's ready to hold links. To start linking, click into an empty cell in that new relation column on any row. A picker will open, showing pages from the database you just connected. Select the page you want to associate with this entry. If your workflow allows multiple connections, you can select more than one. To verify the link, click the related page you just added. This will open the item in the other database. You're now looking at the counterpart of your original row. On that page, check the properties and you'll see the relation you created, already filled with the original item. That confirms the two-way link is active. You can click back and forth between related records, filter by the relation, or add the relation to different views to build useful dashboards. That's it. You've linked two Notion databases using a relation, named it clearly, and confirmed that the connection works in both directions. This foundation makes it easier to organize information, reduce duplication, and surface exactly what you need across your workspace.